Gentlemen, what if I told you it's possible to wake up tomorrow with the firmness and confidence you haven't felt in years? And the best part, no pills, no expensive equipment, and no risky procedures, just using the power of your own hands. I'm Dr. Jane, a urologist, and I'm presenting a natural, proven method that's helped hundreds of my patients regain their morning vitality. Have you noticed that your morning erections aren't what they used to be? Maybe they're less frequent or weaker than before and it's worrying you. Know that you're not alone. In this video, I'll reveal 3 secret pressure points on your body that, when stimulated correctly, can reactivate your body's natural erection mechanism, improving blood flow and nerve response that fade over time. By watching this video to the end, you won't just learn a technique. You'll get a powerful tool to reclaim your vitality and confidence. I'll guide you step by step, showing the exact location of each point, the right way to stimulate them, and a 5-minute daily routine you can start today. If you're ready to take back control of your male health in a safe and natural way, keep watching. The science of male vitality. Before we dive into the application and method, it's essential to understand the science behind this method. Erectile function isn't an isolated mechanical event. It's the result of a complex, perfectly orchestrated symphony between your brain, spinal cord, blood vessels, nerves, and muscles. It all starts with a neurological signal. Tiny electrical messages travel at incredible speed from your brain or sensory nerves straight to the penile tissue. These signals give a clear command to the smooth internal muscles to relax. This relaxation is key, as it allows blood to flow in and fill the spongy chambers known as the corpora cavernosa. As these chambers fill, the veins that normally drain blood out get naturally compressed, trapping the blood inside and creating and maintaining firmness. So where does age intervene in this equation? Over the years, 2 main physiological changes occur. First, the blood vessels in your pelvic region can lose some flexibility. They can become stiffer, a process accelerated by years of wear and tear or conditions like high blood pressure. Second, nerve conduction tends to slow down. This means those vital electrical messages from your brain take longer to reach their destination or arrive with less intensity. It's this combination of less efficient circulation and weaker nerve signals that's one of the main reasons morning vitality can start to fade, especially after 50 or 60. How pressure points reboot the system. That's exactly where targeted pressure point stimulation becomes such a powerful tool. It acts like a wake-up call for your nervous system. When you press or massage these specific points, you're activating clusters of sensory nerve endings. These signals travel through reflex pathways to the pelvic nerve plexus and the sacral region of the spinal cord, where the erectile function control center resides. This triggers a beneficial chain reaction. The nervous system is instructed to relax the right muscles. Arteries are encouraged to dilate. And as a result, blood flows more freely. Think of it as rebooting a sluggish system. With regular practice, this kind of stimulation can effectively retrain your reflexes, improve vascular health, and boost nerve sensitivity. The 3 secret points. 1. The base groove, 90 seconds. The first point we're targeting is one I call the base groove. It's located right at the root of your penis, at the transition point where the shaft meets the pubic area. To find it easily, slide your fingers along the underside of the penis toward your body. You'll feel a slight depression or groove. This area might have a slightly different texture, maybe a bit firmer, because it's where crucial anatomical structures meet. Under the skin here, there's a dense network of nerve endings and key blood vessel junctions that directly feed the internal chambers. It's a true control center. To do it right, position your thumb directly on the base groove, while your other fingers gently support the shaft. Start with moderate pressure, enough to feel the tissue, but never to the point of pain. Make small, slow circles, letting the warmth of your touch spread through the area. Spend about 90 seconds on this point. 2. The perineum, 2 minutes. Our second point isn't directly on the penile shaft, but in a nearby area that's often neglected. The perineum. This is the soft tissue area between the base of the scrotum and the anus. This zone is a powerhouse for male function because it's positioned right over the bulbospongiosus muscle. This muscle helps trap blood in the penis during an erection. By applying targeted massage, you're reflexively activating this muscle, giving it a workout that builds its tone. To locate this point, sit comfortably or lie on your back with your knees slightly apart. Using your index and middle fingers, press gently but firmly in the center of the perineum. The pressure should be enough to feel the underlying muscle without discomfort. Move your fingers in slow, deliberate circles, staying focused on that central point for about 2 minutes. For extra benefit, combine this massage with light pelvic floor contractions. 3. The coronal ridge, 2 minutes. The third and final point is on the coronal ridge. This is the ring-shaped edge at the base of the glans where it meets the shaft. This area is extraordinarily rich in nerve endings, one of the main hubs for sending arousal signals to the spinal cord. Proper stimulation here can optimize nerve response capacity, making firmness easier to achieve. However, moderation is key. To work this area, gently hold your penis with your thumb and index finger, positioning them on opposite sides of the coronal ridge. Lightly squeeze the ridge and hold the pressure for about 5 seconds. Then slowly release. Repeat this squeeze and release for about a minute. Then switch to slow, circular motions around the entire circumference of the ridge for another minute. Your 5-minute daily routine. Understanding the individual power of each point is just the beginning. The secret to maximum benefit isn't treating these points as isolated tricks, but as parts of one cohesive routine. I recommend this sequence. Start with the base groove for 90 seconds, using circular motions to kick-start blood flow. Then move to the perineum for 2 minutes to activate muscular support. Finally, end with the coronal ridge for another 2 minutes to sharpen nerve communication. This 5-minute routine, done consistently, addresses all the essentials for better body response. It's important to set the right expectations. This method isn't an instant fix. However, most of my patients report subtle changes, like more warmth and fullness, within 2 to 4 weeks of daily practice. For lasting results, combine this routine with healthy lifestyle habits. Staying well hydrated is crucial. Regular pelvic floor exercises reinforce what you're doing. And of course, balanced nutrition provides the building blocks for a healthy vascular system. Gentlemen, you do not have to accept declining vitality as an inevitable part of aging. Your body still has the capacity to respond. It just needs the right stimulation and support. By incorporating these 3 points into your daily routine, you can retrain your nerves, optimize circulation, and reclaim that morning confidence in a way that's safe, natural, and totally in your control. If you found this info helpful, try the routine and share your experience. Remember, your male health is a reflection of your overall health, and every step you take to improve circulation and muscle tone brings benefits that extend far beyond the bedroom.